but I'll show you the way I do it. Hope this video is not too long. So we're going to try to do it as fast as we can so y'all don't get bored. So don't be skipping. Just hang in there and watch. What I do is I'll take my knife and I like to heat it up. Get it as hot as I can. Make sure you got a knife that's not going to close up on your finger and cut your finger. And then I just start cutting. See how easy that is to cut? And then we're just going to cut that off. I'm probably just going to do a short section so this video is not so long. And then you'll get the idea of how to do it. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Now remember, don't be skipping. Now this is going to take some time. It's not an easy job, but if you got a hot knife, it really helps. It really helps. Makes it easy. So that knife, I use this knife for just stuff like this. It's not a good knife, so don't worry. See how that comes off? And you just do that all the way up. And then once you get it done and you get it, I take a little bit of fine sandpaper and smooth it down. But boy, I'll tell you what, when they put these handles on there and these grips, well, they sure get them on there, so you ain't getting them off unless you do something like I'm doing. But we're going to just do a little short piece. And that's how you take it off. That's the only way to get them off. And once you get it all off and you get it sanded down, you're ready to put your rope grip on it. You can see my video how to put a rope grip on a handle. But this is coming off pretty easy. Of course, it's pretty old. See how hot that knife is? That knife is red hot. And you just continue that process all the way up the rod. And that's, like I said, that's the only way to get it off. I really appreciate y'all tuning in and hanging in there with me. Be careful now. Don't be cutting your finger. You can sure cut your finger. I've done it before. Y'all ever watch Craig and Around? The other channel they have is Wild RV Life. Oh, Craig, he's cut his finger. He knows about cutting his finger with a pocket knife trying to undo a knot in a rope. I love old Craig. He's pretty good. Him and Victoria. Craig and Around. Y'all give them a shout and look at them. And the other channel they have is Wild RV Life. So there you go. So once you get it all cut off, let me peel this off. See, it started right here. Then you just take a little sandpaper and you get all that glue off to where this is nice and smooth. And then you're ready. You're ready to do your rope handle. That's the only way to get the grip off of the handle of a rod. Thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. Thank you for helping my channel grow. Wayno's Rod House saying, go fishing and happy RVing. We'll see you on the next one.